Welcome, dear friends, once again. This is my third class. It is related to our lesson number 5, Our Runaway Kite, written by Lucy Maud Montgomery. In the previous video, I have given you some information about introductory information about Lucy Maud Montgomery, who is a Canadian author and who wrote a series of novels and what is all about this chapter and the short story, what is short story. And also I have given you the summary of all the three units, which today I am going to explain line by line, just as we had done in our class. So let's start with unit number 1. Of course, there was nobody for us to play with on the big half moon. You are noticing that this story is starting with somewhere in the middle of the story. So what is short story? I have already told you that a short story must begin with in the middle of the somewhere in the middle of the story. So we don't know what has happened previously. Is just a start or surprise start from nowhere. Okay, so of course the narrator is giving information. There is nobody. There's nobody to play with them in the big half moon. Big half moon is the name of the island where they live with their father, Claude, the narrator, and their father. We just had to make the most of each other, and we did. We means the three of us enjoy the company of each other, and we did so by having fun in the island. We live on the big half moon island. We is in the inverted comma, single inverted comma, where we means father, Claude, and the narrator I, and Aunt Esther and Mimi and Dick. Now, here the narrator had said that we are living with Aunt Esther, Mimi, and Dick, but in the later part, we are going to find that Aunt Esther and Mimi and Dick were not live with father, Claude, and the narrator, but later on they found their relatives and lived together. Okay, so Aunt Esther and Mimi and Dick were not together with father, Claude, and narrator. Later on they meet with each other with series of incidents. Next, it is used to be only father and Claude and I. Just as the narrator is saying, whatever I have said to you right now, the narrator is explaining that it is used to be only father, Claude, and I. Means that in the previous, there is only father, Claude, and I living in Big Half Moon Island. It is all on account of the kite that there are more of us. It is just because of the kite. Means it is because of the incident that happened around kite flying that there are more of us. Means Aunt Esther, Mimi, and Dick later on meet with them because of the kite. This is what I want to tell you about. This is the whole story, how they found their old relatives through an incident of flying kite. This is the whole story, and this is the story that the narrator wants to tell you. Father is the keeper of the Big Half Moon lighthouse. So what is the occupation of father, narrator's father and Claude's father? That he is the keeper of Big Half Moon Island lighthouse. I am 11 years old, means the narrator is 11 years old, remember that. Claude is 12. So remember the age of both Claude and the narrator. The narrator is 11 years old and Claude is 12 years old. In winter, what happened then when the harbor is frozen over? Means in winter there is extreme cold and the harbor is frozen by the snow. We all moved over to the mainland. So they had to go to the mainland because the harbor is frozen in the winter. As soon as spring comes, back we sail to our dear island. So when the spring comes, when the ocean water become unfrozen, they sail back to their dear island Big Half Moon. The funny part used to be that people always pitied us. Pitied us means they pity us that uh, we have no one to play in the Big Half Moon Island, or we don't have any relatives there in the Big Half Moon Island. So the people always pitied on them. This is the funny part. What is the funny part? The funny part is that people always pity us. Pity, the Bengali meaning of pity means doya dakano. When the time for us to return, when they return back to their mainland, people try to pity on them. They said we must be lonesome over there. They thought that we are very lonely over the Big Half Moon Island with no other children near us. There are no children to play with them, so they live alone there. Of course, Claude and I would have liked to have someone to play with us. So Claude and I, means the narrator, always like to have someone to play with them, but it is hard to run pirate caves and things like that with only two. So why they want to have someone to play with in Big Half Moon Island? Because what are the things the narrator and Claude do there? They run pirate caves, which is very difficult to maintain with the two of them. Okay, so they want more people or more children to control the pirate caves. We used to quarrel a good deal with the mainland children in winter. But the thing is that the narrator and Claude are not disappointed that there are no many children in the Big Half Moon Island, because the narrator and Claude had a lot of quarrel in the mainland with the children in winter. So it was perhaps just as well that there were none of them on Big Half Moon. So that is no effect on them, means it has no effect on Claude and narrator that there is none of them in the Big Half Moon. So they doesn't want to be have that those children who quarreled them with them in the main island. Claude and I never quarreled. So that is the main reason they don't want any children in the Big Half Moon. That in the winter when they go to the mainland, there are a lot of children with them. They quarreled much more, but in the Big Half Moon Island, Claude and narrator never quarreled. That is the main reason they don't want any children to have in Big Half Moon. Next, to be sure, father didn't seem to have any relationships except us. So they do know that father didn't have any relationship or any other relative persons with him. Um, this used to puzzle Claude and me. So why don't father have any relationship except Claude and the narrator? This is a question that always kept them confused. Everybody on the mainland had relations, so they thought, how come all the person in the mainland have relation, and why father don't have any relationships? Why hadn't we? Was it because we lived on an island? uh, is this the reason that we live alone in the island, so that we have no relationship or relations? We thought it would be so jolly means happy, to have an uncle, an aunt, and some cousins. So they thought, means Claude and the narrator thought, that it would be very joyful to have other relationships like uncle, aunt, and some cousins. Once we asked father about it, once they asked father that why do we don't have any relationships, but he looked so sorrowful that we wished we hadn't. But after listening to that question, father became very sad. So they decided not to disturb father with that questions anymore any further. He said it was all his fault. He only said that it was all my fault, and Claude and I didn't understand what he meant. So when father said that it was all my fault that we didn't have any relationship, Claude and narrator didn't understand what father is trying to tell us. So this is the first unit. Hope you understand this part. If anything you want to have any query, please note my WhatsApp number 974 999 5018. You can WhatsApp me with your questions, with your queries. Thank you.